Jean here. Just want to greet you a happy birthday. God bless you always and see you soon.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tito Alan. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Alan. Ilang taon ka na? Pumupogi tayo lalo Enjoy your day. Uwi na kayo.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ingat kayo lagi dyan.
Inuman na! Happy birthday, Kuya Alan! Inuman na!
Happy birthday, Tito Alan. We love you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Tito Alan, and stay healthy po. Tsaka ingat po kayo palagi. Maging pogi lang lagi.
Ano ba yung susuot ko sa birthday ni Kuya Alan? Wala. Ay! Happy birthday, Kuya Alan! Papunta na ako dyan! Hindi. Happy birthday ulit. I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. Miss ko na kayo. Sana makauwi na kayo dito. At ingat ka palagi. Yun lang. God bless. Bye-bye.
Milanad, happy birthday. Sana maging masaya kayo sa family mo. Tapos pakamusta kay Ethan. Tapos sa asawa mo. Ingat lagi kayo dyan sa Japan, ha? Sana huwag ka magbago. Patuloy pa rin ang pangarap. Okay? God bless.
Happy birthday, Ninong Alan. Salamat sa suporta at pagmamahal na pinakita mo sa akin mula nung ako ay bata hanggang sa ako ay makapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Isa ka sa aking inspirasyon. Sana bigyan ka pa ng Panginoon ng maraming birthday at magandang kalusugan. God bless sa'yo, Ninong Alan. Salamat ulit.
Happy birthday, Kuya Alan! One time, inom tayo sa Japan.
Happy birthday po, Tito. Wishing you good health po. Your turn.
Would you wish? I don't know.
Just say happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
See you in Japan. What? See you in Japan.
Happy birthday, Kuya Alan. Sana maging mas maayos yung health mo at saka God bless sa family mo. See you in Japan soon.
Happy birthday, Tito. We wish you good health and more blessings to come.
Nagpadala ka ng pasahan. Daming pera niyan. Okay, take care. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Kanadak ka na no. Guaitsatsu.
Happy birthday, Nong Alan. Kamusta ka dyan sa Japan? Tanda ka na. Wish you all the best. Alagaan mo yung sarili mo sa trabaho. Maggambate lagi araw-araw. Miss na kita, brother.
Ayun, a blessed and happy 47th birthday to you, Kuya Alan. My prayer is pagpalain ka ng Panginoon and to lead your family. Naway gabayan ka niya, bigyan ka ng malakas na pangatawan, ingatan ka palagi. Ganoon din ang iyong family, si Ethan, tsaka si Ate Rowena, at si Daddy. And I pray that may the Lord always provide what you guys need and always protect from any harm, and praying na magkita-kita rin tayo soon. So my prayer is makapunta din sa Japan. Ayun, happy birthday, Kuya. God bless you and more blessings, and wish you all the best. God bless.
Birthday po, Tito Alan.
Hi pa.
Happy birthday! Ilang taon na po kayo? 47? Kamusta po kayo dyan? Ang wish ko lang po sa inyo pa is maging healthy kayo and wag po kayo masyado magpapa-stress. Parang good vibes lang palagi. Happy pa!
Hello po Papa, happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po ay magiligtas kayo at maging malusog kayo Papa. Maraming salamat po sa sakripisyo niyo po sa amin. Maraming salamat po sa mga pera, pagkain at pagmamahal niyo po. Happy birthday po sa inyo Papa. Advance happy birthday po. Maraming salamat po Papa. Love you.
Wishing the birthday na, ayan, ang laging sinasabi ng Sharla, ang inyong Charlamagne, ay laging
Ingat
paborito
ka.
ang iyang kuya at ate.
Ingat ka palagi dyan, Brad.
Mag-wish ka rin.
Alam mo na yun, Brad. Kahit tayo susi.
Susunod daw, manghiram ulit siya ng iyong kasi yan ang hindi
Yung hiramin ko ulit
At
yung mo.
mag-iinom kayo.
Yung Hanford. Ha? O, tignan mo to. Zombie.
Inom ulit kayo ng 24
work. Brad, December inuman tayo dito. Happy
Hoy,
birthday!
see you soon if you want to come to my
Ingat
house.
palagi.
And
Good health.
let's
Good
celebrate.
health. Lagi mong bantayan si ate at saka si Onyo.
Ayan,
Huwag mo pabayaan yung sarili mo para sa kanila. Bye! O, thank you,
Thank you, Biminito.
Nad, happy birthday! Tagal na natin din nagkita. Sana one day magkita ulit tayo. More than 15 years na siguro hindi tayo nagkikita. And enjoy your day and more birthdays to come. And God bless you and your family as well. Have a blessed night.
Hi, Nad. Sorry. Hindi ako marunong gumawa ng video, but I will try. Happy birthday. Always take care of yourself. Stay safe and good health. More blessings and birthdays to come. Enjoy your day and have fun. God bless you and your family. Bye-bye.
Hi Nad, happy birthday. So yon, at 3 years na lang is magiging 50 years old na tayo. So dapat mag-ingat sa health. More blessings to come. I know you are super happy with your family now. More success and take care always. And I miss the moments that we shared when we were high school. So happy birthday and God bless you.
Hello, paring Alan. I just want to wish you a happy 47th birthday, pare. You know, the Bible says in Proverbs 9:11, for true wisdom, your days will be many and your years will be added to your life. So I pray that the Lord will give you more wisdom as He give you more years. And may you be blessed in your work. May your family be blessed as well, as you are the head of the family. May you have more years to enjoy with your son, with your wife, and may your relationship together grow stronger. It's been quite a long while, pare, and I can still remember how we used to celebrate your days when we were younger. And I thank God for bringing you where you are right now with your lovely family. So, pare, again, happy 47th birthday. May the Lord continuously bless you. May He keep you in His right hand. May He give you favor in front of men. Bro, we miss you. We miss all the crazy things we do together. But for now, may you enjoy your day. Happy birthday, Alan.
Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka pa maraming birthday para matupad mo yung pangarap mo sa pamilya mo. Sana wish ko makauwi kayo ng bago birthday ni Rowena. Ayos.
Hi, hello Alan. Kamusta kayo dyan? Happy birthday. More birthdays to come and good health always. Dahil sobra kang masipag sa iyong trabaho. May your wishes and dreams come true. Pagkakataon ko na ito na makapag-message sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pagmamalasakit ninyo sa amin ni Tatay at sa mga pinapadala ninyo sa amin. Maraming salamat. Papasalamat din ako sa iyo, Alan, na ikaw ang napangasawa ng aming anak na si Rowena at ama ng aming apo na si Ethan. Dahil alam namin na mawala man kami sa mundo, na nasa mabuting kalagayan ng aming anak at ang aming apo. Sana huwag kang magbabago sa kanila at sana makapagtapos na pag-aaral si Ethan dahil sobrang talino yung anak mo. Proud na proud kami kay Ethan. Sobrang talino niya talaga. Dahil matatalino din ang mga gumagabay sa kanya. Nag-iingat kayo dyan palagi. Sobrang miss na namin kayo. Sana makapasyal din naman kayo dito sa Pinas para makapagsama-sama tayong lahat ng mga kapatid nyo. Yun lang, mag-iingat kayo dyan palagi. Sana next year makapunta kami dyan at makapagsama-sama naman tayo kahit paano. Happy birthday ulit. Enjoy your day. Love you all. Basta kayo dyan na Neng, Ethan, aral mabuti. Love you.
Alan, sa iyong birthday, naway matupad ang lahat ng iyong mga hiling ngayon at araw-araw. Maligayang kaarawan, anak. Happy birthday. Pagbutihin mo para sa pamilya.
Happy birthday, Papa. Thank you for always providing for us. Salamat po talaga. And salamat po for always holding hands with Mama, loving Mama, always hug with Mama, and always doing pini-pini with me. I like that, and you're always hugging me, kissing me, and you're just want to saying the best word, and thank you so much talaga. And my prayer is, I hope your work is gonna be fun. You're having fun in your work. I have one more, but even though you got old, I hope you're gonna hold hands with Mama and love with Mama together still. That's my prayer number 2. So happy birthday, I love you.
Hi, mahal. It's your special day. Thank you sa pagmamahal mo and sa efforts, not just for me and for the kids, but for the whole family. Minsan, lahat ng mga gusto kong sabihin, I can't put into words, but maybe I can dedicate a song for you. Here it goes. I can't remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I know. Can't imagine needing someone so. Through the years it seems to me I need you more and more. Through the years, through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you. Through the years, it's better every day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years when everything went wrong, together we were strong. I know that I belong right here with you. Through the years, I've never had a doubt. We'd always work things out. I've learned what life's about by loving you through the years. I love you, mahal. Happy birthday.